Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a car title in California as a gift. So there will be two processes to make for two people. First is for the gift giver. And before anything else, be sure to check for any liens against the car. It's basically the legal right of a bank or money lender on the vehicle until the debt is repaid. And this is specifically for vehicles with previous liens. You must get signatures from any previous lien holders before gifting the vehicle. And for vehicles with previous lien releases, you must get an authorized, lien satisfied, legal owner or title holder release form Reg 166. And once done in that step, you can head over and follow the other steps. Proceed by signing over the original certificate of title to the recipient and list the vehicle's mileage at the time of transfer. Next, you must also provide a smog certificate. You must also create a bill of sale between yourself and the gift recipient, even if no money is involved. And lastly, within 5 days of gifting the vehicle, notify the California DMV of the change of ownership. You must complete the notice of transfer and release liability or Form Reg 138. Now here are the processes for the gift recipient. First is of course you must collect the bill of sale, smog certification, and odometer reading from the gift giver. You must also complete a statement of facts or Reg 256 form to get a tax exemption on the vehicle's value. Then once done within 10 days of receiving the vehicle, transfer the California title and register the vehicle in your name. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!